Welcome back, all you wonderful people. It's a great day. Thanks for stopping by. Today I want to work on this dent here because every time I see it, it annoys me. I bought this bike just like it is, and I'm not going to paint it right now, but I just can't stand this dent being here anymore. So I'm going to remove this with this channel lock pliers, and what you want to do is get in behind right at the crease, because we want to pry it out from there, so that is our solid line. This is obviously going to need painted because it's cracked paint, so I'm not too worried about scratching it, or I mean the dent's going to have to be filled anyway. But I like to use a towel just for good measure, so we don't scratch it more than we have to, or break paint more than we have to. And this doesn't work for everyone. I am not a dent guy. I'm a paint guy, and I can use body filler and all that, but want to make it right, so let's show you how we do it. Unfortunately, I hit stop on my camera, so I didn't get footage of actually doing it, so I'll show you here. But get up in behind, make sure that you're up in the edge, and you can pull straight back. And the wider your pliers are, the wider the point is that you can actually pull back, and it'll be solid there. If you're too thin, you're going to make a dent out. You're going to make a dent the width of your pliers. But this is wide enough to actually pull on it. Stick your foot up on the wheel and just pull straight back until it's, this is pretty thin metal. This is the rear fender on an 83 V65 Magna. They actually weren't metal in 84. But yeah, I just put this in there and actually pulled straight back. Now you can kind of pivot on the edge here, and that'll pull out, see what I'm doing there? That'll pull out the dent in the areas you want to. You can work it around. Just be very careful. But the majority of it, I just went in the center and pulled straight back. See, I'm not even touching the paint or the outside surface. So anyway, it looks better to me. I know I can paint that and fill that. There's not that big a dent no more. No more. So that's how I removed the dent on the V65 1983 Magna by Honda. Keep checking in. Subscribe. You want to see more work on these bikes. I know, we have a lot to do. So hopefully we can get working through these. And that. And this. So like and subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.